This MWXNE 3000 watt 24 volt to 120 volt inverter acts like a translator. It takes the DC power from your battery. Then, it changes it into AC power. This is the same kind of power that comes from the wall in your house. So, you can use regular appliances in your car, RV, or even at home during a power outage. It's like having a portable power outlet. The MWXNE 3000 watt 24 volt to 120 volt inverter has 2 regular outlets. Plus, it has 4 USB ports. These USB ports can quickly charge your phones and tablets. It even shows you important information on a screen. You can see how much power you are using. Also, it can tell you if there are any problems. A remote controller lets you turn it on or off from a distance. This MWXNE 3000 watt 24 volt to 120 volt inverter makes clean power. It produces what is called a pure sine wave. Imagine the power coming from your wall as a smooth wave in the ocean. Some inverters make choppy waves, but this one makes smooth waves. This is important for sensitive electronics. Things like laptops and some medical devices need this smooth power. If the power is not smooth, these things might not work correctly or could even get damaged. The MWXNE 3000 watt 24 volt to 120 volt inverter ensures your devices get the good, clean power they need, and it does this quietly, without making much noise in decibels. For anyone needing power on the go or as a respaldo during storms, the MWXNE 3000 watt 24 volt to 120 volt inverter is a helpful tool. It can power many things, from small chargers to bigger appliances. Within its 3000 watts limit, think of it as a reliable friend that brings the power of your home wherever you go. While you might find cheaper options at a dollar store, this inverter offers a more stable and safe connection for your valuable electronics. It's a worthwhile investment for vehicles, RVs, trucks, and even home use, providing peace of mind and convenience, no matter the angle of your adventures or the date. Pros: pure sine wave output, stable power for sensitive devices, 4 quick charging USB ports, dual AC outlets, LCD display, remote controller included, high 3000 watt continuous power 6000 watt, peak surge power, high conversion efficiency, over 90%, multiple safety protections, durable aluminum housing, intelligent cooling fan cons. Could get warm, uses battery power, needs good wiring, remote needs battery, display can be bright, size is somewhat large, draws power when on, fuses need checking, instructions unclear. Not for all devices features. 3000 watt pure sine wave, DC 24 volt to 110 volt 120 volt AC 4 quick charging USB ports, dual AC outlets, for vehicles, for RV, for truck, for home, LCD display, remote controller. This MWXNE 3000 watt power inverter changes 24 volt DC power from batteries into 110 volt or 120 volt AC power, like what you use at home. It has a pure sine wave, which is a clean type of power good for sensitive electronics. You can plug in 2 regular AC plugs and also charge 4 USB devices quickly. This inverter is useful in cars, RVs, trucks, and even at home if you lose power. It has a screen that shows you what's happening and comes with a remote so you can turn it on or off from a distance. This MWXNE 3000 watt power inverter changes 24 volt battery power to 110 volt or 120 volt AC power, like what you use at home. It can power things that need clean power, like computers. It has 4 USB ports that charge phones and tablets quickly, and 2 regular outlets for other devices. A screen shows you what's happening, And you can turn it on or off with a remote. It can handle a lot of power for bigger jobs but needs good, thick wires because it uses battery power. The remote needs its own battery. And the screen can be pretty bright. It's a bit big and uses power even when nothing is plugged in. You might need to check the safety fuses. And the instructions might be a little confusing. It won't work for every single thing you own.